The T-62 tank stands as one of the most iconic armored vehicles of the Cold War era, representing a major step forward in Soviet tank design when it first appeared in the early 1960s. Known for its rugged build, powerful firepower, and reliability, the T-62 was a machine designed for mass production and battlefield dominance. Built as the successor to the T-55, it introduced the world's first smoothbore gun on a tank, the 115mm U-5TS, which allowed it to fire high-velocity rounds capable of piercing the armor of NATO's most advanced vehicles at that time. This innovation set the standard for future tank designs and made the T-62 a formidable opponent on any battlefield. The tank was designed with simplicity and durability in mind. Weighing about 40 tons and powered by a V55 12-cylinder diesel engine producing 580 horsepower, it could reach speeds up to 50 km/h on roads. Its operational range was about 450 km with external fuel tanks, giving it the ability to travel long distances without refueling. The armor protection was increased compared to earlier models, with up to 242 mm of steel on the turret front, offering better defense against enemy shells. Though it lacked some of the advanced electronics of Western tanks, the T-62 made up for it with raw firepower and ease of maintenance. The T-62 saw extensive combat service in numerous conflicts around the world. From the Middle East during the Yom Kippur War and the Iran-Iraq War to the Soviet invasion of Afghanistan and beyond, this tank proved its effectiveness across different terrains and battle scenarios. It became the backbone of many armies allied with the Soviet Union, and thousands were exported globally. Even today, decades after its first introduction, the T-62 is still in active use in several countries, a true testament to its durability and adaptability. One of the main criticisms of the T-62 was its relatively slow rate of fire due to its manual loading system, especially when compared to tanks with autoloaders. Additionally, its cramped interior and limited gun depression made operations difficult in certain combat situations. However, these drawbacks did little to diminish its global impact. The T-62 remains an important piece of military history, a symbol of Soviet engineering, and a reminder of the constant evolution of armored warfare. The legacy of the T-62 is undeniable. It bridged the gap between the older generation of tanks and the more modern main battle tanks that followed. For enthusiasts, historians, and military analysts, the T-62 is not just a machine of war but a landmark in tank development, representing the strategies, innovations, and challenges of its time.